If you're a solopreneur or small business owner, you don't need louder marketing. You need smarter systems that save time. AI tools like ChatGPT are powerful, but most people don't get great results. Not because AI doesn't work, but because the prompts are unclear. When the instructions are vague, the output is vague. That's where this framework comes in. We use a simple framework called QUIET, a quiet power move for getting better results from AI. Q is for question or goal. What do you actually want AI to do? U is for user or use case. Who is this for and where will it be used? I is for information. Key details like tone, tools, brand, or audience. E is for expectations. Simple or detailed, beginner-friendly, on-brand. T is for type of output. Caption, checklist, script, or Canva-ready text. Let's take a look at an example. Instead of prompting, "Give me content ideas," use the QUIET framework. Create 5 short hooks and 5 calls to action. For a coach sharing educational Instagram content, the audience is time-poor solopreneurs. Use a calm, supportive tone, not salesy. Keep everything simple and practical. Format the output as a clean list I can paste into Canva or my caption. Now you're not just getting ideas, you're getting content that's ready to use. That's the difference. Once you have the content, watch our other video linked in the description where we show you how to use Canva's bulk create. This is where content stops being manual work and starts becoming a system, saving you time. That's the quiet power move. Try the QUIET framework with your next prompt and see the difference. If you found this video helpful and would like to help shape our future videos, don't forget to scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to the QUIET Power Move for simple Canva and AI strategies designed to save time and help your business grow.